How to make your Facebook private. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make your Facebook private. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to your Facebook app right here. So just click on that, and then from in there you can see your Facebook account. So if you want to make your account private, what you need to do is just head over to these three lines right here, and this will redirect you to the menu. And then from in there you can see this gear icon, which is the settings, or you can also scroll down until you can see the settings and privacy. Just click on settings and privacy right there, and after that you can see the settings. So let's click on settings right here. Then from in there you can see a lot of settings right here. So if you want to make your Facebook private, you can just scroll down and look for privacy right here. But if you can't see it, what you can do is you can search for it right here. So in order to search for it, just click on the search icon. So click on that and then search for privacy. And here you can see your privacy checkup. So just click on that, and then this will load another page. You can see a lot of suggestions right here. Just click on this first one right here, click on continue, and then just set your email as only me, also your birthday, friends and following. Click on next right here, and then set your default audience also as only me. You can also limit your past posts. Click on next, then after that click on next again, and you can review another topic. And after that you can also see how people can find you on Facebook. Click on continue, and then you can make it friends of friends instead of everyone. Then click on next, then make this only me. Then after that click on next again, and you can review another topic. You can click this how to keep your account secure. Click on continue, and then from in there it will load again. And what you need to do is to just set everything to only me. So as you can see, alerts is turned off, so you can skip that. You can also change your password, but you can also skip that. And you can see a lot of security tips right here in order to make your account private. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make your account private. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.